I searched how to buy shares of Babcock International to demonstrate the process. Babcock International is an engineering and support services firm active in defense, maritime, and energy, listed on the LSE PLC with the ticker BAB.L. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BAB.L to locate Babcock International. Confirm you are selecting the LSE listing to ensure it is the correct share. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page clearly shows Babcock International and the BAB.L ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details, including any fees, before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Babcock position will appear in your portfolio view. Check the link in the description for the eToro example if you want to follow the same steps.